Holy fucking smokes, I got my money up, 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 money up.
Hi, what's going on YouTube? We're going to the beach right, well, not right now, but like in like a little bit. We're gonna be going to Will Rogers and then hopefully go to Santa Monica like around sunset. That's what I'm thinking. Like do all our swimming shit, like chill shit in there. Oh, my cousin's coming. Okay, we gotta open the trunk.
1800.
682. We got the whole gang. You probably can't see Victor back there. You probably could.
Oh. Bitch, I can't see.
Bitch, snap out of it.
Bitch, I can't fucking see.
Alright. We're gonna be on our way to the beach now.
It's so long.
Alright, y'all, so we just got to the fucking beach. This shit is so nice. We gotta introduce everybody. So, here with Veronica. My cousin's over there. I feel bad we left her. There was?
I saw dolphins hopping out the water when we pulled up.
Say hi to the vlog. You wanna say hi, Steph? Fuck, it's cold, huh?
Fuck. Oh, it's nice, dude.
God, I've literally never felt more like an LA kid in my life. We're playing a game right now. Whoever better run to the water, and whoever comes back wins. Ah. Hey, Loki is feeling a little better. Why is it gonna be so cold, bro? I just want to dip in, like. You're insane. You're one. Ah! I saw that one. I think there's like Lion King up there. We've been here for like 4 hours already. Can you believe it? It feels like nothing is passing. Like it feels the same to me.
And then we wanted to ride down to Santa Monica.
Get on the roller coaster. That's like when we're chilled. Like, or well, like our activity is really the roller coaster. I had to do the art. Oh, you're designing?
Wet.
You're doing the like drips? Yeah. I can't see, I'm blocking it.
Getting colder.
I feel like it's warmer over here. Yeah.
It's just the breeze.
What the hell are they doing? They look funny. Everyone left me, I feel offended. 7. Should we? I can help you build something. We should build something.
I just want to build a fucking something. Oh, we gotta build the walls first.
Let me give you guys a tour. What is this? A Grand Canyon?
Yeah, it's gonna be.
It's our barrier.
Grand Canyon.
Our barrier. There's. Wait, you can't see. Yeah, this is Wet TV headquarters. This is the gang right here. That's the bonfire, and then these are our houses. Look, little house tour. There's the door. And then this is our plot of land.
Oh my god.
What?
Is
That
that Jesus?
is dope as fuck.
Right here?
Yeah. How do you feel after the beach? It's so dark right here, bro. How do you feel after the beach?
I feel wet.
You know what? I couldn't
And
describe it
I'm
any
chilling.
better.
No, yeah, I'm fucking chilling. And now we're going to the pier.
Yeah, we're going to the pier right now.
And we're gonna ride the fucking roller coaster.
Dude, I am so excited, and I don't even fucking like roller coasters like that.
It's small, so it'll be cool.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, we're at the car. We're gonna go to Santa Monica right now. Speeding. Alright, y'all, so we just pulled up to the beach. I mean, to the pier. And we're gonna get on a few rides. Maybe get a pass. We don't really know yet. We're meeting up Victor because we freaking parked far away. Everyone's here. Dude, I'm kind of nervous.
Fuck, I wouldn't dare.
I'm not gonna do it, but we're half the gang's there. We're over here. I don't know if I'm ready mentally or spiritually right now. And we're going twice. I'm not ready. What's up? We just did this and I'm like, I'm not ready. Victor! Ready? Ahí viene. Oh! Wow, that was not bad. But then the other three are like, the other two make me want to throw up. Shit! Victor! I'm trying. Freeway! Oh my god. Yeah. I'm so happy right now. Like 20. Oh. Do a rate of your mood. Remember we rated the beach? Okay, go.
11 out of 6. Oh yeah, but so.
Victor, give your rating of how you feel.
Hungry.
Give a rating, like a number.
Out of what?
Whatever.
That's like infinite.
100. Because
You feel 100 out of 100 or?
below. Yeah.
Give your ratings, come on. Give your ratings. How do you feel? Yeah. I love our lighting. It's like a freaking, like a little halo moment. Going on YouTube. So we just got back home, and by we I mean me at this point, because everybody's at their own house. But today was an amazing day with amazing people, and I don't even know what I really filmed. I think I just filmed like clips and stuff, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. We did a lot of things, chilled out for a lot of it, and then ended the night with the roller coaster clip that you guys saw. I don't know what I filmed, so hopefully I filmed something good. Got my tape on, you already know. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys enjoyed it, give it a like, comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys. Bye.